It's so much easier to grab this vacuum than getting out my big one with the cord because it's so much more lightweight and I can just get my vacuuming done so much faster. I cannot say enough good things about this vacuum and I highly recommend it. It is really great quality, and after vacuuming my living room, which I thought was clean, I was surprised to see how much dust and dirt it picked up. It has 3 different power levels which you can adjust with this switch, and I love that it has this screen that shows the battery level so that you know exactly how much time you have left, and it'll actually also tell you the section level. It comes with 4 different attachments that you can choose to use with or without the stick. So it has the standard one that you would use on most floors, or if you use it without the stick, it's really great to vacuum stairs. And then it has this smaller one that I love to use on upholstery. I use this all the time on my couch. And then it has this skinnier one, which is really great for crevices, which I use to clean on the inside of my couch. Or I'll use it with this stick to get up in the corners and dust a little bit where the cobwebs seem to build up. And then this last attachment I really love to use for dusting. I dust all of my surfaces and electronics, keyboards, pretty much anything with this attachment. The attachments all click in very easily, so it's quick to switch them out. And then when you're ready to empty it, you just press this little button and it pops open and you can release the dirt straight into the garbage can. And it's actually really easy to open up and keep clean. There are a lot of parts of it that are washable, including this little filter. It has a really long battery life, which again you can monitor on the screen. And it takes less than 2 hours to fully charge from 0. And I love that it comes with this mounting bracket that you can use to hang it up, so it's always charging when you're not using it, so it's always ready to go. It was very well packaged for shipping, and I was just overall very impressed with the quality of all of it. You definitely will not go wrong buying this vacuum. It has been a really great addition to my cleaning routine.